Dear students, good morning all of you. Welcome to the online class. Myself Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar Gurukul International School. Already we have studied in chapter 2 polynomials, division of a polynomial. That we have already studied in previous class. So now we will study about that division. Whenever we are doing, how can we find out the remainder that is without division process? To find out the remainder, that is without division process. So what we have to do now, we will study. Suppose I will say x square minus 3x plus 2, that is divided by x minus 4. So you have to find out what will be the remainder. Already given to you, dividend is equal to x square minus 5x plus 2, that is the dividend, and divisor is x minus 4. So without the division process, how can we find the remainder? So we will write like this way. Let function of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. It means dividend that we wrote function of x. So if x minus 4 will be divided by fx, so we can say that x minus 4, that is a factor. X minus 4 is a factor of fx. So we will write x minus 4 is a factor of fx. Fx means x square minus 3x plus 2. So x minus 4 is a factor of fx. How do you know? Because x minus 4 is divided by fx as per the question. So we will say x minus 4, if it is a factor, so x minus 4 is equal to 0 if and only x is equal to 4. It means when x minus 4 is equal to 0, that we can say when x value is equal to 4. So why we consider x minus 4 is equal to 0? Now since it is divided by fx, so x minus 4 is a factor of function of x. So we will say x minus 4 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 4. So now we put the value f of 4. It means x value is what? 4. So now if we put the value of x is equal to 4, so we will get square of 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 2. So that we got 16 minus 12 plus 2. So that we got 18 minus 12, that is equal to 6. So this will be the solution. This will be the answer. We got remainder is 6. So this process we have done without the method of division. Without the method of division, we can calculate what will be the remainder. So remember, whenever the dividend is given to you, you have to write let fx, it means function of x is equal to that one, and divided by means already division is given to you, that is x minus 4. So we can say x minus 4, that is a factor of function of x. So now we can say x minus 4 is equal to 0 if and only the value of x is equal to 4. So now insert the values or putting the values of x in fx. Putting the value of x in fx, we got the value of the remainder. So this is the method what we have followed, that is without the division process. So next, another example, you just say. Suppose question is like that: if x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2 is divided by x square minus 7x plus 3, remainder is 4. What is the value of a? Find the value of a. Suppose this is a type of question given to you. X minus 2 is divided by x square minus 7x plus 3, so that the remainder we got, that is 4. So find the value of a. Suppose this is one type of question. So similar method also we have to follow. Similar method we have to adopt. So what we write? Let function of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 3. So this is function of x. It means the divided we have to take function of x. So which one is the divisor? X minus 2 is the divisor. So we will write if x minus 2 is a factor of fx, so x minus 2 is equal to 0 if and only x is equal to 2. So now just we have to insert the value of x is equal to 2 in the divided. So we will write a into square of 2 minus 7 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to the remainder. So what is the remainder given here? Remainder is 4. So we have to write is equal to 4 because already given to you remainder is equal to 4. So we can say 4a minus 14 plus 3 is equal to 4. Otherwise we can write 4a minus 11 is equal to 4. So 4a is equal to 4 plus 11, 15. So the value of a we got 15 by 4. So the same method what we have followed in example number 1, the similar method I have adopted also here. Always you have to remember that whatever the dividend given, you have to take it function of x. So function of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 3. And which one is the divisor? The divisor is x minus 2. So if x minus 2 is the divisor, so we write x minus 2 is equal to 0. When x minus 2 is equal to 0, if and only x value is equal to 2. So putting the value of x is equal to 2 in the divided, it means function of x. So that will be the remainder. But in the question remainder is given to you 4. Therefore that is equal to 4. So that we got the value of a. So like that I will give you 2 questions as home task. You have to work out. Suppose this type of question I will give you. Find the remainder, find the remainder if x plus 4 is divided by x square minus 12x plus 10. Question number 1. And question number 2, when x minus 1 is divided by x square minus 8x plus 15, remainder will come, remainder is minus 5. So find the value of a. Find the value of a. So dear children, I have already worked out 2 problems and the similar questions already I gave to you. If any doubt will arise, then you will ask me. Thank you.